You know, it's already hard to stretch your paycheck for the month. And with all the Christmas demands, getting that paycheck to make it into 2018, tough. So financial advisor Dean Logan Johnson is here, and she's going to help you keep a lid on the spendings for the season. Morning.
Good morning.
Welcome to Smile Jamaica. It's morning time.
Thank you very much.
Dean, I'm very happy to have you here, girl, because this is the week, especially when we need to keep these things in mind.
Yes.
All right, so it said make a budget.
Yes.
And stick to it.
Yes, because of course, it's always easy to make a budget, but it's more important to stick to it. So you write down a list of all the needs, and if, all right, let us say you want to treat yourself to one thing, you know, you put it there and make sure that you stick to it.
Is it important when budgeting, because sometimes we budget just to break even? So you say I'm making this, so I can buy all of this. Isn't it important that when we budget to also include a little
miscellaneous?
Extra?
Yes.
Yeah.
So you put down a little for miscellaneous just in case something happens.
Right.
You know what I mean? Especially for the Christmas, we have to remember that, okay, so we get the pay early, and it have to stretch a little longer. So we have to know exactly what we're doing with the money that we have gotten.
And don't bring forward no bills.
No.
I sometimes people say, oh, you know, January paycheck will come, so I'll pay this in January, and then when January come, it can't pay.
It can't pay, no.
All right, so make a budget and stick to it. Very important. Partake in a secret Santa, set a limit. What's that?
All right, so with your family, with your friends, right, you can say, all right, instead of one person buying everything for everybody, you just say, all right, let's just make a secret Santa, and each person, one person give a gift, you know what I mean? So you can get your gift.
and in setting a limit, because I remember one time Pixie used to be the worst, because people used to have Pixies and then you don't know what to buy, and then somebody buy this big gift, and then you buy an earring, and then the person said, then this you buy.
Which is why you have to set the limit, so you know that, you know, the earring will still be on the same par as whatever else the other person might bring.
Should you set a limit also in terms of what you're going to buy?
Yes.
So, like, if I'm going to shop, I'll say, well, for my sister, for all my sisters, this is what the gift's going to cost.
Well, see,
so
that's
I don't
the
just
point.
see things and say, Pat, I go like this, Gail, I go like this.
Well, see, that's the point, because you mentioned all your sisters. So all of you can come together and say, let us just do a secret Santa. So as to not say, all right, Pat will like this,
Gail will like
this. You know what I mean? So you're only responsible for one person, giving one person a gift. And the other person responsible only to give
one person. I want to buy a gift for my mother. She not fussy. Me buy her even a pencil, sugar.
Well, most of the times is a thought that counts. So we always want to give these extravagant gifts.
Mommy, go on. Mommy. Try to celebrate more and not focus on the gifting.
All right. So what I mean by this is that, so instead of trying to buy this big extravagant gift, you want to know that it's the time that you spend with the person that will count. So like for a family.
And if the person doesn't value time.
No, man, everybody value time.
Me no know. Because like Marvin, if I don't buy him no gift, him not going to like it, so.
Him not going to like it, sir?
No, say we should go and gift. It's a hint though. If it's somebody who prefers the gift to your time, you need to budget that person out of your life.
You do have to budget.
Right.
For sure.
Yes.
But a lot of person, but all right, the thing is we get so caught up with the material things that we don't spend any time together again. Yeah. Imagine you go like on a date, right? You are here, he's there, and both of you on your phone like this, like you're not really spending time together. So sometimes you need to take away, you know, these.
So don't buy me the expensive phone and then not even a WhatsApp to say, you're all right?
Yeah, all right, exactly. Good. It's better we spend some time together.
All right, let me take your phone. Only carry money you intend on spending. Oh, girl.
Yes.
Let me tell you. I told somebody that how I budget now is I don't carry money.
See,
I look.
even that.
If it's something that I really need,
you will go back.
Then I will go back and purchase it.
Definitely.
If I have to go back, go back. Because sometimes you see it and say, oh, I'm going to come back and get this. And by the time you drive off and you sleep and wake, you say, I really have to go back and get this.
Exactly, because we need to know separate the needs from the wants. Right. So if you only take what you need, then you will definitely not overspend.
Yeah. So here it is. Leave the credit card
at home.
At home.
Because a lot of people, they're still paying off the credit card from last Christmas.
Lord Jesus. A true man can never present cost me all heap last year.
See it there?
And when me give him, tell him says a 3-year present. So I hope him not look for nothing this year.
For the next 3 years, right, Neville?
Well, this a year too. So yeah. Leave the credit card at home. Same thing as only carrying the money you intend to spend.
Right, definitely.
Because if you have the credit card, sometimes you're spending money you don't intend to spend.
You don't intend to spend.
And you
but
said
then
January
remember,
me pay back for it.
But remember, the credit card have interest.
Yeah.
So it's even worse than overspending the cash.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? Because that interest, when that interest and then late fee pile up on you, it's not good.
Lord of mercy. I don't know what else to say to Diane about the budget other than if you not have it, not spend it.
Exactly.
Not
don't spend it if
no,
you
well,
don't
means. I'm not even going to tell him that. But you're right. You know, it's a season for people to get together, families to get together. We tend to also spend a lot on food.
Food, right.
Yeah, it's a Jamaican thing when Christmas comes. We have to eat. If you don't have 3 meat on the table.
Sometimes you can try and eat before you go out too, so that you don't want to extend yourself with the budget spending at that time.
Yeah. Awesome. All right, so these are great tips. And I think there are tips that can follow you even beyond the holidays.
Beyond, for sure.
Yeah.
There's one more thing. We need to stop spending money we don't have, right? So you will buy this and say, all right, the end paycheck will cover that. You have to stop doing that. We need to cut that out.
You don't have the money yet to not spend it.
Don't spend it yet.
Oh, jeez.
Somebody owe you money, wait till them give you the money before you spend it. Yeah, him owe me, so I will take this, so when him give me, I will pay. No, don't do it. Wait until...
True, because some people own them not paying.
They're not paying at all.
And you end up in a problem.
Big.
The last one they could have tell me I have to hear though, because they want my wallet buy something for me. No, I'm not going to tell me say no have it. No, but seriously, great tips.
Don't buy it for her until you get it to her.
Jesus.
Yeah.
I will get that definitely now. Thank you though, those are very serious tips.
Thank you.
That we can use beyond the holidays. That's financial advisor Deanne Logan Johnson. Now it's time for a Christmas medley. One of the great things about the season, the music. Victor Brown is on mic and Wesley Wallace on the strings.
Someday at Christmas, men won't be boys, playing with bombs like kids play with toys. One warm December, our hearts will see a world where men are free. Someday at Christmas, there'll be no wars, when we have learned what Christmas is for, when we have found what life's really worth, there'll be peace on earth. And someday all our dreams will come to be, someday in a world where men are free. Maybe not in time for you and me, but someday at Christmas time. Someday at Christmas time. Come, they told me, pa-ra-pa-pam-pam, a newborn king to see, pa-ra-pa-pam-pam. Our finest gifts we bring, pa-ra-pa-pam-pam, to lay before the king, pa-ra-pa-pam-pam, ra-pa-pam-pam, ra-pa-pam-pam. Piano play for him, pa-ra-pa-pam-pam, on my drum. Can I sing for him? Can I strum? We say joy to the world, the Lord is come. Let earth receive her King. Let every heart prepare him room. Let heaven and nature sing. 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 Let heaven and nature sing.